How's it going, guys? Today we're unboxing the HyperX Cloud Professional Gaming Headset. Let's get right into it.
Yep. Yeah, she tripping. I don't know if she fucking with King Wavy. Wave. Yeah.
Alright, so I have the HyperX Cloud here. Let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the box. On the front it shows a picture of the headset itself along with the dongle where you can control your mic and stereo volume. We also have the compatibility list right here, so PC, Macs, Xbox Ones, mobiles, everything really, so that's pretty awesome. I think I'm only going to use it with the PC, but still pretty cool to have that flexibility. On the back it just has a picture along with some features like the 100% memory foam, detachable mic. Kind of cool. Let's open this up and actually see how it looks. Alright. Oh, it's kind of hard to unbox things on camera. There we go. Looks like there's going to be a really nice presentation here. Everything looks like it's put together really well. So this is what I'm seeing right now. Alright, so here we go. We have the box that was inside of the other box, and we're going to just lift the top up here. And looks like we get a little bit of documentation regarding the warranty. And I'll just try to get a close-up here for you guys. Got the warranty, along with a quick start guide as well, and that looks pretty cool. We're gonna just sort of put that to the side, and we're gonna take off this foam here, and we get presented with the headphones themselves, along with these velour earmuffs. That these are an option. You don't have to put these on. You can just use the default leather ones if you want. Oops. But it's nice that they give you that option, especially at this price point. So I'm gonna put those to the right. And I'm going to take out the mic. So this is the detachable mic, and it is a memory wire, which means that it should theoretically leave it in the position that you keep it in, which is pretty cool. Inside this box we also have the adapter here as well. So let's go ahead and put that out to the side, and we're also going to take the headset out now and check out the rest of the box, see if there's anything important. And it looks like there's actually a bag here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at this bag. Wow, this is really nice. It feels really soft. This would be a great bag to carry in. I don't plan on really traveling, but if you go to a lot of lands or something like that, this would be a nice bag to have for your headset. And inside the bag, it looks like there is, yes, here's the dongle here. And this is going to be what controls the audio on your mic and your headset. And it also has the mute button to the side here. Let's just switch it back and forth. This is the USB port that's going to actually plug into your computer. And you can plug it in just with this guy right here, but then the mic's probably not gonna work. Or maybe it will. I don't know. It's not like I'm a tech YouTuber or something. So let's take a look at the actual headset itself. Now my first impressions are this thing actually feels really solid, especially for a $99 headset. It has the stitched leather up here as well as the logo, I guess you could say. It's got the leather cups by default, and the cable is braided, which is nice. It feels very solid, it's very thick. I have confidence that this is a very well built headset, and it's fairly flexible. Obviously it's got the adjustable, you can pull this out here. If you have a bigger head like I do, you can pull it out and it's gonna fit real snug on your head. And in fact, on that topic, let's go ahead and try it on and see how it feels. So it's on my head and it's feeling pretty good. I like this mic. You can see it slightly in your peripheral vision, but it's not intrusive by any means. And it doesn't make the headset any heavier or anything like that. It still feels really good on my head. So I'm really impressed so far. In terms of first impressions, this is making a great first impression. I haven't tested it out yet, but I will be doing that in the review coming up soon. So be sure to subscribe if you're interested. I'll actually test it out and kind of put it through its paces. But right now, this is just an unboxing and first impressions video. So far, I'm very satisfied, and I'm really excited to play some Siege and some Counter-Strike with these. Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, found it informative or entertaining, leave a like. It helps my channel immensely. If you find this video to be absolutely disgusting, terrible, the worst thing you've ever seen, I can't blame you. Leave a dislike, let me know how I can improve, and I will see you guys in the next video.